Here from Indiartzcreations. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to do a blow dryer pour with primary colors on a 12 by 24 canvas. And as you can see, I've painted the edges. So I painted the edges so that whether whether it covers the whole thing or not, we're covered. And if it does, it just will have like a nice uniform look around the edges. And hopefully there won't be a lot for me to have to tidy up at the end. So I'm just going to pour the paint on. No order. Um, some primary colors here. I have a crimson red, but I think I'm going to use a true red also. A lot of blue. But I definitely just don't want the blue to kind of take over. So I'm going to kind of like drizzle the blue. And, um, the true red on. You can see. Not knowing if it would take over, I'm just going to put like a thin line of this as well. I'm not going to put a lot. And then we'll blow and we'll see what we get, and then we'll go from there. It's a cool setting, medium. Okay, so I'm digging it so far. We'll put a little more paint because we don't have enough. Cells in here also. The colors, I'm just gonna like put a couple of the colors down and we'll see how in here. Go a little over this way. So we're blowing right in here to like cover this up and blow out, and then I'll blow this way just because most of the canvas is covered on the edges. So let's go. So I am going, because it right in here, it's I don't want to call it muddied, but it's something. So I'm going to pour some more colors right in here. And then it never hit that little bit of the canvas right there. It never hit right there for some odd reason. Doesn't look like we have a lot of blue right down in here either. So I'm going to pour a little, I'm going to pour lightly like I did before. Okay. Okay, so yes, I like that look. I like this splash of yellow and things. And we have some nice pockets of cells up here. We have a little pocket right here, baby cells. So, yeah. I think I like it. So I didn't necessarily see any air bubbles per se, so really I was going with the torch just to see if any colors would pop out. I need to do one more thing. Let me see, I need to get this. Yeah, so I really like it. So what I'm going to do is I need to just like tighten up one of the sides. Like I said, we have the blue down, but I just want to look at it. I'm going to probably definitely go under the canvas with a popsicle stick so that the paint doesn't continue to move or continue to be pulled from the paint underneath, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Back for the close-up, starting in the left corner. As you see, we have some cells right there. Because this piece is so big, I'm just going to go left to right, top to bottom, and then we'll be right to left at the bottom. So again, this is a 12 by 24. We used all primary colors and we did a blow dryer technique. So I hope you like it. I like the way it turned out. I'm gonna bring you out so that hopefully you can see the whole thing. And then I will post this to Instagram probably by the end of the week, early next week. Let it dry, then hang it and take a picture of it and post it. So I would love to hear your comments and how you like these colors or this technique, and if you would like to see anything specific, any color combinations, different compositions or techniques, just let me know. Thank you for the support. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't. And until we meet again, cheers to painting.